Serial production of the i7 electric sedan has started at the BMW plant in Dingolfing, Germany. It is produced there together with gasoline and hybrid BMW 7 of the latest generation. All these cars made their debut literally in the spring. In order to assemble a sedan with 3 types of power plants at once, the company invested €300 million in the modernization of the iFactory assembly site. Moreover, in the new generation, the 7 can be two-colored, and this also made production more difficult. First, BMW will release demonstration BMW i7s in rich configurations, and only then will assembly of customer cars begin. In most countries, the configurator with prices was launched in April immediately after the world premiere, and in 2.5 months, enough orders came. Buyers will receive their first cars in the fall. Key electrical components of the BMW i7 are also produced in Dingolfing at the BMW Group Competence Center for e-drive production. Recently, 2 new lines were opened there, which will provide electric drives for more than 500,000 cars a year. Stuffing for electric iX, i4 and 91 is also made here. During the launch of the new BMW 7, BMW Group production chief Milan Nedeljkovic announced, among other things, that the production of the fully electric 5 Series will be launched in Dingolfing next year. At the same time, the company expects that by the end of 2022, every 4th car built at this enterprise will have an electric drive. By the middle of the decade, this figure should increase to about 50%.